Hey guys, Dr. Mike here. You know I love talking about simple, natural ways to improve your health. And today we're diving into a powerful combo, Amla and Honey. Now you might already know about the individual benefits of these superfoods, but trust me, when you combine them, it's a whole new level of awesome. We're talking about a 1-2 punch that can supercharge your immunity, get your digestion running smoothly, and even give you that radiant, healthy glow. And the best part? It's something you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to break down 5 surprising benefits of taking Amla and Honey together, benefits that most people don't even know about. So if you're ready to unlock a healthier, more vibrant you, stick around because this is one video you won't want to miss. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic these days, immunity. We're all looking for ways to strengthen our defenses, and Amla and Honey are here to answer the call. First up, we've got Amla, a true powerhouse of vitamin C. Seriously, we're talking 20 times more vitamin C than an orange. That's a whole lot of immune-boosting power packed into one little fruit. Vitamin C is essential for a healthy immune system, helping your body fight off those pesky infections that try to bring you down. And then we have honey, nature's golden nectar, with its incredible antimicrobial properties. Honey has been used for centuries to fight off bacteria, and for good reason. It's like a natural shield, protecting your body from those microscopic invaders. Now, imagine the power of combining these two forces of nature. You're essentially creating a double whammy defense system against common colds, coughs, those annoying seasonal infections, and even more. Regularly consuming Amla and Honey can be a game changer for your immune system, helping you stay healthy and resilient all year round. It's like giving your body its own personal army to fight off those unwanted guests. Let's be real for a second. Nobody likes dealing with digestive issues. Acidity, bloating, indigestion, they can really put a damper on your day. But here's the good news. Amla and Honey can help get your gut back on track. Amla acts like a natural digestive aid, stimulating the production of those all-important digestive juices that help break down food and absorb nutrients. It's like giving your digestive system a much-needed tune-up. Honey, on the other hand, swoops in with its prebiotic superpowers, promoting the growth of good bacteria in your gut. Think of it as adding reinforcements to your gut's army of beneficial microbes. Together, Amla and Honey work in perfect harmony to detoxify your digestive system, keeping things running smoothly and efficiently. They can help prevent issues like constipation, bloating, and even that burning sensation we all know as acid reflux. A simple spoonful of this mixture on an empty stomach can work wonders for your gut health. It's a gentle, natural way to soothe your stomach and keep things moving in the right direction. Chapter 3. Unlock your inner glow, Amla and Honey for radiant skin. Who doesn't want healthy, glowing skin? But let's face it, the world of skincare can be overwhelming and expensive. Well, I'm here to tell you that you don't need a 10-step routine or fancy products to achieve that radiant complexion. Amla and Honey can help you unlock your inner glow from the inside out. Amla is like a superhero for your skin, packed with antioxidants and, you guessed it, even more vitamin C. These nutrients work together to fight off those pesky free radicals that can damage your skin and lead to premature aging. Honey, with its amazing moisturizing properties, steps in to hydrate and nourish your skin from within. It's like a tall glass of water for your skin cells. When you combine these two powerhouses, you're essentially giving your skin a double dose of love. They work together to purify your blood, promote collagen production, hello youthful elasticity, and leave your skin looking radiant and blemish-free. And the best part? You'll start to notice that natural glow in just a few weeks of incorporating Amla and Honey into your routine. It's a simple, natural way to achieve that healthy, youthful complexion you've always wanted. Chapter 4. Amla and Honey, your blood sugar balancing duo. Now here's a benefit that might surprise you. Amla and Honey can actually help regulate your blood sugar levels. That's right, this dynamic duo isn't just good for your immunity, digestion, and skin, it can also support healthy blood sugar balance. Amla contains a trace mineral called chromium, which plays a crucial role in enhancing insulin sensitivity. Insulin is like the key that unlocks your cells, allowing glucose, sugar, to enter and provide energy. When your cells become more sensitive to insulin, it means your body can regulate blood sugar levels more effectively. Honey, when consumed in moderation, can also contribute to healthy blood sugar management. While it does contain natural sugars, it also has a low glycemic index, meaning it doesn't cause those rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. The combination of amla and honey can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or prediabetes, helping them manage their blood sugar levels naturally. However, it's always crucial to consult with your doctor before making any changes to your diet or health regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Chapter 5. Sharp Mind, Bright Future. Amla and Honey for Brain Power. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about how amla and honey can give your brain a boost. In a world filled with distractions and information overload, we can all use a little help keeping our minds sharp and focused. Amla, with its potent antioxidant properties, steps in to protect your brain cells from oxidative stress. Think of oxidative stress as rust forming on your brain cells. It's not a good look. Amla's antioxidants act like little rust busters, keeping your brain cells healthy and functioning at their best. Honey, on the other hand, provides your brain with a steady supply of natural glucose, its primary source of energy. It's like giving your brain the fuel it needs to stay focused, alert, and ready to tackle any mental challenge. Regular consumption of amla and honey can lead to noticeable improvements in memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. It's like giving your brain a much-needed upgrade, helping you stay sharp, alert, and mentally agile. So there you have it, guys. 5 surprising benefits of amla and honey that you probably didn't know about. This simple, natural combination can truly transform your health from the inside out. We're talking about a boosted immune system, improved digestion, radiant skin, balanced blood sugar levels, and a sharper, more focused mind. If you're looking for a natural way to enhance your well-being, look no further than amla and honey. Incorporate this powerful duo into your daily routine and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more health tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. And be sure to share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about the power of natural health. Until next time, stay healthy and keep on learning.